Oh my god, I'm in heaven right now. I'm not even joking. I'm gonna be taking this with me at work and I'm gonna be using it from now on. Hola everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a really special thing for you guys. It's gonna be a review on this amazing product right here. It's the Growband Pro. I dyed my hair, bleached my hair into dimensional blonde. You can see got some strands that are blonde and they're bleached, and I was advised not to use any hair oil again. As you know from my old video, I used to put oils and massage with my scalp massager. I cannot do that anymore, unfortunately, because it's gonna ruin the blonde strands and turn them into yellowish orange tones that we do not want. This came in perfect timing because I won't be able to properly massage my scalp without using oils, you know. And this is a device specifically made to promote hair growth and prevent any hair loss. A device not only used for hair growth in general and preventing hair loss, but it's also used for stress, headaches. So I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you how to use it on your head. You can literally use it anywhere you want, whether you are studying, watching TV, eating, anywhere you want. And it's so relaxing, you guys. It's like somebody is massaging you like this. I've always wanted something like this, I swear to God. This is an amazing investment to grow your hair overall and also to prevent that stress and headaches that you have. I'm going to be talking about the science behind this product and explain to you how it's going to be beneficial for hair growth and preventing hair loss. Of course, I'm going to be linking all the websites or the resources down below so you can go check it out. Scalp massage is basically manually stimulating the scalp with either the hand or any device or product that helps with blood flow. It can be used by people with healthy hair in general, like me. I don't have any hair loss, everything is perfect. So in my case, my hair is healthy and I'm just looking for that stress relieving benefits. It's gonna help making your hair healthier and denser with regular use. I'm gonna be using it for 15 to 20 minutes twice daily. It's basically used to release and reduce the tension that you usually get in the vertex of the scalp, so right here. So usually hair loss happens when there is poor blood flow coming into your scalp and when you experience scalp tension. And when people experience tension, it's really due to mental or any physical stressors. There is one specific type of hair loss that is known as AGA, which stands for androgenetic alopecia, which accounts for over 95% of hair loss in men. The indication of AGA is a process referred to as hair follicle miniaturization. The hair follicle in the balding spots usually gets smaller and smaller gradually and less strong over time. And because of that, the hair eventually loses its ability to penetrate the scalp because the follicles shrink and become really small over time. And with that, if treatment is delayed, obviously it's going to be really hard to recover that hair loss. Having healthy scalp goes back to having good blood flow. Nutrients and the oxygen that the hair follicles require are carried by blood. It also gets rid of waste from cells, which includes CO2, that is carbon dioxide. That's why follicles cannot really function well enough if there is not enough blood in the scalp. And as a result, it's not going to be able to maintain their normal, non-meteorized hair growth cycle. Going back to the AGA, researchers state that men who suffers from AGA, which is the androgenetic alopecia, usually have reduced blood flow in their balding areas, and blood flow is usually normal in the areas like at the side here, in the side of their head, but you're gonna see most of the time men get bald spots around this area right here, and this is the area where it's usually doesn't have enough blood flow to begin with. And men without AGA do not experience this type of pattern. They experience much less bald spots than men who suffer from AGA. Statistically speaking, men with AGA have 2 to 3 times less epidermal blood flow compared to men who have healthy scalp. That's why, looking back at it, the first medication that was actually approved against AGA sufferers was the minoxidil. Usually use it in conjunction with scalp massages to help promote hair growth. What minoxidil medication usually does is it widens the blood vessels in the scalp, which in return it's gonna allow more blood flow to come in the scalp, and therefore it helps with reducing hair thinning, hair loss. That's basically the summary and the science behind scalp massages and hair growth. The massage encourages blood flow. When you massage the scalp with any massaging device, it's gonna basically encourage blood flow. In return, dilates the blood vessels that lie near the surface of the skin, therefore promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss and balding. For people who usually have healthy hair and do not suffer from any issue, for example AGA, standardized scalp massages, which is referred to as SSM, can be really beneficial to promote hair growth. It's a study that was conducted a long time ago using only standardized scalp massages on AGA patients, so not on healthy patients with healthy hair, but on AGA patients specifically. They stated that AGA patients will be doing hand-generated scalp massages for 20 minutes twice daily every single day. Results stated that participants reported diffuse thinning, which showed slightly smaller improvement in overall hair change compared to the frontal, temporal, and vertex thinning. So these areas specifically, that the frontal, temporal, and the vertex area, they saw way better results and improvements of hair change compared to diffuse thinning in general. Scalp massages will help with blood flow, and the more blood flow the device gives the scalp, the more and better results the person is gonna experience. This is so time convenient because, as I said, you can be using this while doing other chores at the same time. Compared to these scalp massages, you have to dedicate specific time to do the scalp massage before you go ahead and do anything else. Now, speaking of the other benefits, other than the hair growth and preventing hair loss, which is the stress hormone, the headaches, and the blood pressure, they conducted a study on 34 female office workers for 10 weeks. Some groups used it for 15 minutes and other groups used it for around 25 minutes. After the trial period, they noticed a huge and significant changes in the norepinephrine, cortisol, and blood pressure. Norepinephrine is an essential role in the regulation of arousal, attention, cognitive function, and stress reactions. It was found that Growband Pro has amazing and positive effects on stress hormone, blood pressure, and heart rate. The less stress and less cortisol level a person is experiencing on a daily basis, the less hair loss and hair thinning they're gonna have. It's gonna be the most important part of the video, which is unboxing the product and using it on my hair. I'm just excited for its relaxing effects, not gonna lie to you, because I work in an office myself. And oh my god, the stress that I get from working in an office, you don't even want to know. So this is gonna actually help me a lot with the stress and the migraines and the headaches that I get. So look at that, this is the package right here. Pretty. Now this is the band. This is the adjusting part, so when you put it on your head, you have to twist it and adjust it to make it tight on the head. Machine that we're gonna use, I think the charger to charge this part right here. So this long piece, we're gonna be connecting it to this right here. You're gonna see like a small white thing. We're gonna adjust it and connect it to this band. It has another white thing. Let's see. Oh, so you turn it on from this part. That's actually exciting. Let me just write this. And I'm gonna, oh, okay, I'm gonna twist. Perfecto. This is perfect on the head. It doesn't have to be too tight. Oops. Just the right tightness, you know, so you can feel the massage and the blood flow coming in. Oh my god. Damn. No. This is actually so good. What the hell? So you just press this to start it. Oh my god. You guys, I'm in heaven right now. I'm not even joking. Okay. Oh god. This releases all the head tension and the headaches that I have right now, depending on your preferences. So To go through each status, you're just gonna press that setting right here to, you know, to switch through these directions. Oh my god, I love this. We can do this for 20 minutes once or twice daily, every single day. Results will start to show anywhere from 3 months to 6 months, depending on every person, right? Every person is different. You know the feeling when you're stressed out and you want to freaking squeeze your brain and your scalp because of how painful the headache and the stress is sometimes? This does the job. I'm trying to explain to you how it feels in the best way possible. I'm gonna be taking this with me at work and I'm gonna be using it from now on. But yeah, to remove it, you're gonna twist it from the back to release the tension, and whoops, I love it. So worth the investment. 10 out of 10 for me. My hair currently, it's pretty long. Not really looking for hair growth as much. For me, all I'm looking for is basically overall hair health, you know, and to maintain that length and the hair health, and also these parts right here, because I usually, when I style my hair in a ponytail or even buns, I tend to put my hair all the way up and it's a bit tight. So yeah, I need these to get treated in a way, since I won't be able to use the oil anymore. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll gladly answer it for you guys. I'm gonna be linking everything and the link to their website. If you decided to purchase from this company, you're gonna get also $100 off as a discount. Yes, it is a big investment, but for me, it is 100% totally worth it. People who know me, I am all for the one and all product that can be used for multiple things, not only one thing, and you get multiple benefits from it. So yeah guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and this is gonna help my channel a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.